You see, they just barely sucked it back off. Bro, that's fully loaded. Is the other door loaded?
I don't see anything in the other door.
Do you got a brown paper bag? I got some. I'll get some in a minute.
On July 18, 2025, the Arizona Highway Patrol conducted what appeared to be a routine traffic stop, but it quickly escalated into a major narcotics investigation. The vehicle was pulled over at 8:40 a.m. after officers noticed excessively tinted windows, non-compliant visibility, a partially obscured license plate, and a registration that had been expired for months. During the ID check and brief conversation with the two occupants, several suspicious indicators surfaced, prompting officers to request backup and prepare for a more detailed vehicle search. Moments later, inside the rear door panel, they discovered a hidden compartment packed with crystal meth, marking the beginning of a massive drug bust captured in today's footage.
Did I do that wrong? Oh, there it is. Blue.
Triple positive. Put this back here for a second and we'll grab a Vince bag or you do this.
Yeah, just bring a few because I mean we still got a bunch left to search. So right now he's going for open container. This was in the center console, and these are all in the front by her. And then she's going for the meth.
Possible 1381.
I didn't see anything. Like as far as driving behavior before the stop, or like contact with them, I wasn't smelling it on them. But right now I'm just going for what we got, and we'll see what we find as we keep going.
Sounds good. I'll go good.
Yeah, I saw that.
Black ice is everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, car's getting towed at this point, so. Yeah. Oh. It's loaded. Back door's loaded. Meth. The back handle's loose. 431. Can you note? I'm gonna have 21015 for transportation of dangerous drugs. Let's go, bro. So you can pop that and then shine your light in there. You can see it.
Oh yeah.
Let's check the other one. I gotta call Danny. Is that one loaded too? Loaded. Back right door, as soon as I looked at it, it's loose. Pop the rubber, you can see the meth in there.
Good job, dude.
Thanks, man. All right, I'll call Kyle and then I'll get one rolling.
All right.
So you can see right here,
Yeah.
it's freaking, like you can just pop the whole thing. He's barely even on there. Let me see, they just barely sucked it back off. Bro, that's fully loaded. Is the other door loaded?
I don't see anything in the other door.
Do you got a brown paper bag? I got some. I'll get some in a minute. All right, man. So do you want to tell me what's up? With all the meth in your car?
I'm sorry?
With all the meth in your car?
What meth?
I told you this is what I do for a living, bro. It's criminal interdiction, okay? So I found all the meth hidden in your car, or at least some of it so far. We're gonna be tearing the whole car apart at this point. So you want to tell me how much you're getting paid to drive it?
I didn't even know it was loaded, man.
Come on, man.
I was putting it up,
Bro, you've had the car for months.
Yeah.
So,
But I didn't know it was loaded.
okay, so the thing is, man, like I said, all I do all day long is criminal interdiction, okay?
I understand. That's your job.
So, when you tell me you didn't know,
Well, I didn't know it.
It's your car, bro.
I know it's my car. Yeah.
Okay, so I see you have tattoos, bro. Are you clicked up?
No.
Were you clicked up when you were younger?
Yeah, when I was younger. Yeah.
Who are you clicked up with?
The Sureños.
Sureños in LA or what?
In LA.
Okay. Yeah, man, so you're under arrest for transportation of dangerous drugs, which is methamphetamine. Okay, so that's a class 2 misdemeanor. You're also be charged with possession for sale and possession of dangerous drugs, which are a class 4 and a class 6 misdemeanor. Or a class, these are all felonies, I'm sorry. So they're all felonies, all right? Having said that, now's your time to be honest with you, bro.
Well, soon I didn't know it was loaded, man.
I mean, no one's just leaving that much meth in a car, bro. You've had it for months.
I know, but you
You went to LA for a day. You came back and you're going back to Albuquerque. Okay, so no one goes to LA for a day, bro. Okay.
I got my mom over there. What?
Okay, and I understand, dude, but like,
I'm there for the weekend.
you're only there for a day.
Yeah, but you know, I went over there for the weekend.
That's a how long did it take you from Albuquerque to LA?
About 16 hours.
16 hours. So you drove 16 hours, stayed for less than a day, and now you're driving 16 hours back.
Yeah.
So you seem like a reasonable person, man.
Yeah.
Would you find that suspicious? Someone drives 16 hours, stays for less than 16 hours, and then drives 16 hours back? That would be suspicious to you, right?
If you got to go check up on your mom, man, the way my mom is since my dad passed away in the COVID,
Okay.
you know, she's
But I'm asking you a question, bro. Would you find that suspicious?
it's not my job, you know?
I know, but you're reasonable, right?
Yeah.
So if someone came to you like, hey, I'm going to LA for a couple hours. I want to drive 16 hours, stay there for a couple hours, and drive 16 hours back. Would you find that suspicious?
I don't know what that guy's doing, you know? I don't know what he's doing.
I got you.
The man had nothing to say, and the woman wasn't any better.
Hey, what's going on, man? I'm sure you're there with the state police, man. Look, reason for the stop, it was a while back. It took me a minute to catch up with you. Did you see us sitting when you came up over that hill a ways back? Yeah. When you came over the hill, you just drifted onto that fog line a little bit. I just want to make sure you're not sleepy or impaired or nothing.
No, I was actually getting some value.
Oh, okay. You got your license handy? I'll tell you what, man. Will you grab your license and meet me at the back of the car? It's kind of hard to hear you.
While the officer checked his documents, he started asking the driver about his travel plan, and that's when things started to get suspicious.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, good, sir.
Where you heading to?
I'm heading to go pick up one of the truck drivers that left the semi-truck.
That left the semi-truck?
Yeah, he left the semi-truck, so I have to go over there and pick up some stuff that he left in this truck. I have to bring it back to Paso.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so whatever, you know.
You drive trucks as well?
Yes, sir.
What company do y'all work for?
Felher Transportation. Felher Transportation. We drive here around a lot, too.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Whereabouts you got to pick it up from?
Monroe, right here.
Oh, Monroe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Almost
Why did he leave it?
Shoot, I don't even know. They just told me, can you go get some stuff that there's in the truck? I was like, all right, cool deal.
Where is it at in Monroe?
Oh, I don't know, probably in the truck stop. I need to call my dispatch right now.
Oh, so you don't know where you're
No,
going?
they just told me to go to, I think, in a Flight J or pilot one of those.
Is this your car or a rental
No,
car?
it's a renter car.
Do you have the rental agreement?
No, yeah.
How long you been on the road, man?
Oh, man, it's been with the city out?
No, to like this trip.
Oh, no, barely. What was it, yesterday?
Okay. You sleeping in the car?
Yeah, what's it called? Rent the hotel.
Okay.
There you go, it's under my girl's name.
The company didn't rent it for you?
Hell nah. No, it's because they're
So you
paying
got to
for-
pay out of your own pocket?
Nah, they're paying for everything, the gas and my mileage driving over here and coming back, so it's cool.
He said he's going to Monroe because a co-worker that drives trucks with him just left a truck there. They don't know why, and he's supposed to pick up his personal belongings. But his wife rented the car.
His what?
His wife is the renter on the car. And I'm like, so you're having to pay this out of your own pocket? He's like, yeah. I was like, then he's like, oh, well, I think the company's reimbursing me. But he doesn't know where in Monroe he's going. I don't know.
Where's he from?
He's from El Paso. Says he left yesterday from El Paso and has just been sleeping in the car.
But his wife's got a Kansas address?
Yeah, he's very laughy and he's very laughy. He's laughing a lot, and when he pulled over, he did the old stretch. So, I don't know.
Well, if that's all you're doing is going to Monroe and back, why do you get the rental for 9 days?
Right, yeah, that too. Hey, man. All right, man, look, we work the interstates every day, okay? We see a lot of bad stuff. We see everything from human trafficking transportation of illegal firearms, transportations of large sums of illegal money, transportations of narcotics, okay? Do you have any of that in your car?
No, sir.
No. Can I search the car?
That's my car.
Huh?
You can.
Okay. Look, this is a Louisiana State Police consent to search form, okay? Read over it. If you're good with me searching the car, sign by that X.
So you guys gonna search the car and everything?
Yeah, we're gonna search the car.
Alright. Can I make a call real quick to my wife? No? Alright.
All right. You got no guns or nothing on you, right?
Nah,
Don't reach in your pockets, man. Step back here.
No.
It's heavy. No, it's not that it's heavy. It's I can't. Freaking, it's a bad angle.
But look at it. It's been.
I know that's what
Look
I'm
at the
saying.
phone.
Huh?
Look at the phone.
I know that's what I'm saying. I want to get it out and try to.
You got it. Thanks.
I was saying all this foam.
Yeah, that's not.
Hey, listen, you got the right to remain silent, okay? Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You got the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, will be appointed to you, all right?
Pictures up first before you grip into it.
Okay.
What you think you got?
Two packages right here. That's all I can see right now.
The incidents in this video show how a simple traffic violation can lead to the uncovering of highly sophisticated drug smuggling operations equipped with professionally built hidden compartments. From fabricated stories to nervous behavior, and even suspects confessing because they believed K9 units had already found everything. These cases highlight the critical role of experience and intuition in highway patrol work. Every suspect remains innocent until proven guilty in court. Yet the evidence collected at the scene has resulted in severe sentences, some reaching up to 35 years in prison. The secret compartments criminals believed to be flawless ultimately failed to evade the seasoned eyes of law enforcement.